Good morning everyone. We have completed our unit 1. Today we will start unit 2, a new poem named Teamwork. This poem is about the work which we will do in team and in group. Do you like to work and play with others? There are some activities that you like to do alone, but there are some activities that you like to do with others in a group. Teamwork is always fun. We have enjoy while doing teamwork. When we work together as a team, we not only enjoy the another's company, but the work also become easier and faster. So we should all know the importance and advantages of teamwork. Let's come and start our poem and see what are the advantages while doing work, while playing with others and playing in a team. Here you can see a picture also. In this picture, the children are playing together and having a lot fun. Now come, I will explain you this poem. Let's start. Teamwork, together we can make our dream work. What the poet say here? Teamwork, together we can make our dream work. टीम वर्क करके, दूसरों के साथ वर्क करके, when we work with other people, we can make our dream work. We can finish our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. Then while doing teamwork, which joys and funs we have enjoyed, we have done, we will share it with others. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. Here you can see this picture. In this picture, what are you seeing? What can you see? The children are playing the basketball. And while playing the basketball, the children were shouting. So here the poet say, it's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass that baton. Here the poet say, while doing teamwork, the children feeling very happy and having very fun. Here the poet have written baton. Baton means stick. One kind of stick, it's called baton. We are the parts that make up the whole. हम एक पार्ट है जो एक होल को बनाता है, एक पूरे हिस्से को बनाता है. हम पूरा हिस्सा नहीं है. वी आर नॉट होल, बट वी आर पार्ट्स ऑफ दैट मेक्स द होल. And we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. Sometimes there are some works which we can't complete we alone. But if we can together, we will do a better work. And this is the advantage of doing a work in a team. So here the poet Jan Negro, what the poet explain in this poem? Poet क्या explain करते हैं कि जब हम अकेले कोई काम करते हैं तो वो काम करने में इतना मज़ा नहीं आता है जब हम दूसरों के साथ रह के वो फन एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं। एंड बाय डूइंग टीम वर्क आवर वर्क विल बी वेरी ईजियर। और जब हम टीम वर्क करते हैं तो हमारा काम थोड़ा ईजी हो जाता है। एंड फास्टर ऑल्सो, थोड़ा सा फास्ट भी हो जाता है। आपको भी कभी कभी स्कूल में से प्रोजेक्ट वर्क मिलता होगा, आप थोड़े बड़े होंगे एंड नेक्स्ट क्लास में आएंगे तो आप क्या करोगे, आप यू विल फॉर्म अ ग्रुप, आप अपना एक ग्रुप बनाओगे एंड देन यू विल डू योर वर्क विथ अदर्स in the company of your friends and classmates. So that work will be very easy and also will be done faster. तो आपका जो काम होगा वो easy भी हो जाएगा और fast भी होगा. So I hope you all will do your work in the company of others, because we not only enjoy one another's company but the work also becomes very easier and faster. So that's all about our poem Teamwork. We have just discussed our poem Teamwork and talked about the importance and advantages of teamwork. Okay, now let's see some meanings of hard words. Let's start. The first word is given here, teamwork. So what is the meaning of teamwork, which is also the title of our poem Teamwork. So we should all know the meaning of teamwork. So the meaning of teamwork means combined effort of a group. कोई एक ग्रुप से combined effort किए जाए, जब combined effort means सब मिलजुल कर वो काम करें, वो efforts करें, work करें, we can say it teamwork. Now let's to shoot. What is the meaning of shoot? Throwing the ball in the basket. When we play basketball, we usually throw the ball in the basket. So throwing the ball in the basket is called shoot. Then another word is hoop. What is the meaning of hoop? Hoop means the metal ring to which the net is fixed. You have already seen the metal ring which the net is fixed. जो नेट होती है बास्केटबॉल की, वो नेट मेटल रिंग से फिक्स की जाती है, we can say it hoop. Then next, to pass. What is the meaning of to pass? So to pass means to give. When we give anything to others, we can say it we pass it. Okay, now come to the next, baton. What is the meaning of baton? I just also talked in our explanation of the poem. Then baton means a stick. Common. Common means anything that is shared. जो हम दूसरों से शेयर करते हैं, जो यूजुअली सबके पास होती है, belongs to anyone and all, it's called common. Then next word, goal. You all know, perhaps you all know the meaning of goal. Goal means aim. When we make some goal in our life, it's called aim. Aim means target, लक्ष्य. हिंदी में हम उसको बोल सकते हैं लक्ष्य. We call it लक्ष्य in Hindi. Then last word, plus.